Hello everyone, this is Madan Kumar. I'm going to talk about my project, that is text and non-text classification in an images. Our aim of this project is to detect text region in an image by using MSCR features. This is our taken input image. Our aim is to detect the text region. This project can be done in 4 steps. Let's go by one step. In the step 1, we have to identify the regions. Regions means we have to identify text regions. While finding text regions, we may find some other non-text regions also. These regions identification can be done using some feature extractors. Here we are going to use MSCR features. And in the step 2, after finding all these regions in the step 1, in the step 2, we have to eliminate non-text regions. These non-text regions can be eliminated by one way, that is geometrical properties. Generally, text regions have geometrical properties which are different from non-text regions. Some of the geometrical properties are aspect ratio, eccentricity, Euler number, and solidity. We can calculate all these geometrical properties in MATLAB using some inbuilt functions. After after finding that, if you can put some threshold for text regions, we can eliminate non-text regions. And in the step 3, also we are going to eliminate some non-text regions based on stock width. Even after step 2, some non-text regions will be left. So now we are going to eliminate non-text regions based on stock width. Stock width is generally is a measure. Basically, this is very less for letters. So using this, we can eliminate some non-text regions. And in the final step, that is step 4, after the step 3, we can identify letters in a image. But to bring some meaning to the letters, we have to combine the letters to form a word, meaningful word, or we need to combine as a paragraph to indicate in an image. This is the whole process of this project. Let's get into the individual details of each and every one step. In the step 1, detecting regions based on MSCR. MSCR means maximally stable external regions. This is a feature detector. It works well for finding text regions. Let's see how does it works. It's basically find the regions that remain same under a wide range of threshold values. While thresholds are being applied, group of connected components for different thresholds form the set of all the regions. These regions are extremals. Since the pixels inside the regions have either higher or lower intensities than the ones outside the region. All the regions with minimum variations through different thresholds are identified as maximally stable regions. Let's see the input image. This is the input image. For a threshold of 75, that means the pixels, this is a binary image. The pixels below 75 are made it to 1 or 0. The pixels above 75 are made it to 255, means white pixels. Similarly, for another threshold G is equal to, let's say threshold is G, it is 105 and next threshold 135. Similarly, if you change the threshold values, we'll find different images. By combining some threshold values, we can identify the regions. This is the MSCR features. This is the example of MSCR regions of this image, and this is another image and its corresponding MSCR regions. And then step 2. In the step 2, we already told we are going to eliminate some text region, non-text regions based on geometrical properties. Let's get into the details of geometrical property. One of the properties, aspect ratio. Aspect ratio of letters are in generally between 0.1 and 0.6 and 1. So we can eliminate above and below range of 0.6 and 1. And the next property is eccentricity. As all letters can be well approximated using circles and ellipses, other values can be removed by using this property. And Euler number. It gives the idea of empty spaces in the MSCR regions, thus getting rid of some regions. And solidity. Fraction of MSCR active pixels to the convex region enclosed in it. Another property is extend. Fraction of MSCR active pixels to the pixels in its bounded box. And this is the result. This is the result after putting thresholds to the geometrical properties. By using a region props command in a MATLAB, we can identify the geometrical properties and by setting thresholds, most of the non-text regions can be taken off. This is the MSCR regions, and after finding after finding geometrical properties and eliminating, we found this image. And in the step 3, we are going to eliminate non-text regions based on stalk width. Stalk width is a measure of width of curves and lines that make up a character. Distance transform and binary thinning operations are used to get stalk width metric. Stalk width measure performed for every MSR region after step 2. This is the MSCR region image, one of the region image, and its corresponding stalk width image. Stalk width image has very little variations or most of the region. By looking at this image, we can simply say that variation over this entire plane to this region is very less. This is actually property of letters. By proper thresholding to all the regions, we can remove some of the non-text regions in this step 3. This is the result after thresholding using stalk width variation. Still, after this step also, we are left with some non-text regions. Here I am showing the non-text regions which are not eliminated even after step 3. And now in MATLAB, if we can use bounding boxes command, we can detect MSCR regions. This is the image which is showing the boxes of MSCR regions. And in our final step, we are going to merge all the texts what we have identified. We already told that all the detector regions composed of only individual text characters. To bring a meaning to that texts, individual text, we have to combine them. So the idea is to expand the bounding boxes computed earlier. This makes the bounding boxes of neighboring text regions overlap. The overlapping bounding boxes can be merged to form a single bounding box around individual box or text lines. By putting proper threshold to overlap ratio, we can merge the individual text characters. So finally, before showing the combined text regions, suppress the false text detections by removing bounding boxes made of only one text region. Let's see that in this images clearly. This is the result after expanding bounded boxes. Here see we can overlap between neighboring texts, but here there is no neighbor, there is no overlap. So after putting threshold to the overlap and omitting the isolated ones, these are isolated ones. If you remove that, we can finally get this image. This image consists of only meaningful words. We have tested some outputs. This some images. This is the one of the input image. This is a newspaper. Here we have taken some newspaper cutting and applied this same algorithm. We got this output. And this is another image, natural image. We have identified the shop name. And this is the textbook image. Here we identified the words or that paragraphs in that textbook. This is another image. We have identified the whole text, whole this paragraph in this image, and applications of this project. One of the application is identifying the vehicles by reading their license plates, and another application is providing sense information to visually impaired people, and another application is recognizing signs in driver assisted systems. And this is the complete project details. Thank you.